extraterrestrial fun with Ooze Labs Alien Slime Lab. Assemble your own out-of-this-world laboratory and mix up a batch of alien slime. With 28 pieces, this kit has everything you need to conduct fun experiments analyzing the scientific properties of your slimy creations. Use the syringe to test your slime's viscosity. Dissect an alien specimen using the scalpel. And create a blobby brain with the brain cutter. You can even create glowing slime creations and hypercolor alien slime. Follow along with the full color manual that guides you through your experiments and explains the science behind your slime. Bonus! Connect your alien slime lab to your other Ooze Lab kits and create one huge experiment station. Slimy science is out of this world with Ooze Labs Alien Slime Lab. From Thames and Kosmos.
But it's kind of like a mass that keeps getting bigger and bigger.
Beware of the blob, it creeps and leaps and glides and slides across the floor, right through the door and all around the wall. A splotch, a blotch, be careful of the blob. Beware of the blob, it creeps and leaps and glides and slides across the floor, right through the door and all around the wall. A splotch, a blotch, be careful of the blob. Beware of the blob, it creeps and leaps and glides and slides across the floor, right through the door and all around the wall. A splotch, be careful.
Andy!
Yeah?
Andy?
Oh. Well, hi, Ann.
Yeah.
Hi, Helen. Over here, Hope. Listen, Andy, 1,000 pardons.
Hi, Paul. Hi, Miss Crow.
Well,
Hi.
Well, here's the thing, Ange. See, I was about to take Opie to the movies. Well, it's two of them horror pictures.
All the other kids are going, Paul.
House of Blood and The Beast that Ate Minnesota.
Goober, art is more important than a picture show.
They're showing the monster that ate Minnesota.
Oh, for goodness sakes, you've already seen that 10 times. Now, look at this. Doesn't that give you a thrill?
It's nice, but it ain't no monster that ate Minnesota.